Hey, first of all, thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel and watching my videos, okay? All right, good news out of the Live Good camp. Okay, today's Friday as I produce this video. Let's see, it's March number 14 of 2025. And every Friday at noon Eastern, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, our marketer and field developer, Nader Kazan, and who's in charge of developing our products, Dr. Ryan Goodkin and his wife, Lisa. All four, I call them the Fab Four, kind of like the Beatles. They do a live video every Friday. It's called Fire Starter Friday. And they're my favorite because we learn about products, new products, what the future of the company is doing, what our sales are doing, worldwide, how many people have joined as members and affiliates. Okay, it's about 60 minutes. Okay, and I record them all on my YouTube channel. All right, if you want to watch them live, you can do that too. And if you are currently a Live Good member or affiliate, just go into your tab that says webinars. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Guys, we do a webinar just about every day, weekdays. Okay, we take the weekends off. I like that because there's a lot of training and everything's exposed. Okay, it's like, woo, look at this. Okay, we have no secrets at Live Good. I like it. That's the way it should be, especially when it comes to sales, products, ingredients, and everything else. Okay, so anyway, we're nearing about 2 million members and affiliates in 2 years and some change. Okay, world record there, guys. All right, Costco, Netflix, all the biggest, well, let's see, Amazon. All right, to get 1 million members in 1 year is mind-blowing. To get 2 million in 2 years is awesome. Okay, and we're almost there. And like I said, we're in about 200 countries, from Africa to Asia, up above me in Canada and Mexico. Okay. It's nice to know that if you do join, it's only $49.95. Okay. You can earn money one time, $40 affiliate fee, $9.95. That's all it costs each month to get wholesale pricing. So if you're a fan of buying products, if you look at my little mini fridge over here, you can see I got super reds, super greens, amino acid fruit punch, and the orgasmic coffee. All right, I love it. We have so many products now. We even debuted a brand new one today. Okay, you guys want to see it? All right. If you've joined, just go to your products tab or shop. Okay, when you log in to your Live Good account, it's going to say shop. The products tab turns to shop because you're logged in. Now, if you're just someone just maybe random watching this video and you want to see our products, go to livegood.com and it will say products for you, okay? I'm going to take you to that page now. But first, I want you to bookmark this, okay? If you want to join or get more information, joincory.com. Go there, put your name and email address in. I'm going to send you information every day for 30 days about Live Good. And if you want to opt out, just hit opt out in the Live Good email, okay? Now, this is the top page of our products. Right on. Look at this. All you do is hit those white little rectangles and it'll tell you about the pricing, wholesale, retail, the ingredients, how to use, even our competition. All right. It's like if you're working at McDonald's and you go into the McDonald's website and it shows you how much the Whopper is or other, fast food restaurants. Okay. But we're about the health thing. All right. Here's the super reds and super greens I was telling you about and the orgasmic coffee, CBD oil, even pain relief cream. We have CBD oil for your pets. It tastes like chicken. Factor 4 is our number one product every month. Factor 4. Here's the amino acid fruit punch that I have on my mini fridge right over to the left of your screen. Collagen. All right. Energy. Do you need help sleeping? Creatine. Essential oils. Remember, we're a wholesale company. Okay. No one's going to beat our prices, and we have the most expensive ingredients. So what that means is you're going to save 30 to 70% on all these kick-ass products. All right. You need some help sleeping? How about some hormone support, guys? You need some vitality? I know I do. I need to have a bottle of this a day. Okay. Check it out, man. This is my favorite. Look, Himalayan Shilajit Organic Sea Moss. It sounds like I'm going to turn into the creature of the Black Lagoon if I buy this product, but it's awesome. Okay. Here is the brand new product that just came out this morning. It's called Whipped Tallow Balm. Okay, that's right. It's like whipped cream. All right, put it on your ice cream. If you want to know what it is, just hit the white little rectangle. Okay, now watch. It goes into its own page. You can see exactly what the container looks like. All right, and then hit these little thumbnails right here, and you can see the sticker. There you go. Now, you can see if you're a member. And how are you a member? $9.95 a month. That's it. Look at that. It's only $12.95. $16.95. All right, if you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just do the drop down arrow here and pick it out. If you want to add it to your cart. And remember, when we ship products, you're going to know exactly how much it costs wholesale or retail and how much shipping is. Okay, we use the post office here in the United States with tracking, and then we use DHL International outside of America. And you have tracking, so you know exactly where your packages or containers are, okay? See, here's the description of the brand new tallow balm. And this is popular stuff, guys. If you want some cool skin, and look at what a pain in the butt we are. Look at this is Dr. Ryan. Look at how many seals we have. Look at that. Insane. Our products are awesome. How to use. And here's comparable products, okay? If you want to look up our product, obviously, it's right there, guys. $12.95 wholesale. Okay? Holy cow, I love that name. That's my favorite. All right, look at how much there, $29. It's also $29 at Heath and Homestead, okay? These are top products, guys. They sell millions of dollars of this whipped tallow balm. But our products are more expensive, better, and look, like I said, we're cheaper. All right, look at that. We're a wholesale company where you can take these products, and if you want, sell them at your gym or online, Amazon store. All right, it's up to you, social media. All right, now, if you look to your left, I want you to do a couple more things real quick for me. If you have not joined LiveGood, I want you to look at the products, like I said. Please go to the FAQ section because we have a lot of great questions right here. And look, all you do is click the line, read the questions right there on your screen. Take your time. Look at how many questions there are. Okay. Now scroll to the bottom of your cell phone or your screen, and you're going to see affiliate pay plan or pay plan. The word affiliate will disappear depending on your screen. But if you want to know how we get paid as affiliates, all you do is pay that $40 one time, and we get paid on the membership side. That's why we're a wholesale company on products. No one can beat our prices because we don't commission. We don't jack up the products. You know, if something costs $10, we don't charge $100 for it so that the owners and your upline or downline or sidelines get millions of bucks, okay? We are a wholesale-based company. You're going to dig our products, and you're going to buy them only if you'd like. And if you want to resell them, please do so. Okay? Now, hit the pay plan link, and you're going to see this page right here. We have 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. Go through all 7 here, but you know what? Scroll to the bottom, and you see this YouTube video made by LiveGood. All right? Just watch it. It's awesome. Watch it 2 or 3 times. That way you know exactly how we get paid. And please, guys, if you are an affiliate right now, don't try to explain the comp plan and the products and everything else. Let the video, let the website do all the heavy lifting, okay? I've signed up over 413 people just personally this way. Everything I just showed you. I invite people to the website. They look at the products, they look at the FAQ and the pay plan link. Everything else you'll figure out on your own. But you don't want me yapping at you or coming to your living room or doing 3-way calls on cell phones or Zoom this. You don't want to do that. Let the videos that are already produced do the recruiting or the selling. That way, if you don't want to do LiveGood, hey, you know what? It was nice to meet you. Thanks for your time. If you need more information, okay, I'm going to show you one more time how I do it. I invite people to joincory.com. I bought this link at GoDaddy. It was like $11. I forward it to the LiveGood capture page, which you're going to have. And guess what? A video does everything that I just did.
Let's talk about the LiveGood affiliate compensation plan. First, everyone has
Isn't
2
that nice?
genealogy trees. You have...
Okay, let the video do it. That was Ben speaking. Okay, do you want to see... let me just show you real quick. This is the link after you click joincory.com. Say hello to this handsome devil. Okay, now watch this YouTube video. This is the one that I just clicked. You could hear Ben Glinsky talk. If you want more information, just put your name and email here. Click the orange little button. If you want to join, same thing. You're going to get a LiveGood email. Open it up and join. All right, get your username, your password. Get everything that you need. Configure your bank or credit union. We also take cryptocurrency. You guys will figure all that out on your own. Okay? But please do what I do. Just if you don't want to get a little domain like this, maybe you want to get a business card. I went to Vistaprint. These exact cards, they're about, I think, $18 now for a big old box. And that's the design I did. I just did a red background. I used the font where it jumps off so you can see joincory.com. Look, I'm about 3-4 feet away from my webcam. See how clean the business card is? On the back, I don't put nothing. Make them cheap. I rounded the corners for like 25 cents, but for like $23, that included shipping and everything. I've got tons of business cards. I'll never run out of these. But on a street level, I just hand them out. I will not talk about Live Good other than maybe some random things, but I want you to sit behind your steering wheel and watch the videos on your phone. Lay in bed, sit on your couch. If you have a home computer, watch the video. And if you like what you see, then go to step 2, 3, or 4. Live Good simple, guys. Let the videos, please, do the recruiting, do the heavy lifting, do the embarrassing part of this type of business. Okay? That is inviting people into this business and the products, the comp plan. All right? You can easily take 30 minutes to 60 minutes trying to explain what these videos that are already produced, they can do in like 5 minutes and 55 seconds on the one main one. 400 plus people I have signed up just by people watching that video. They don't even really call me first. They sign up and then afterwards they get a hold of me and say, hey, I signed up. Right on. Then I'm going to send you an email of exactly what I do, because I have some other techniques and software that help me succeed in not only Live Good, but my other online software that helps me with Live Good. They all complement each other. I don't do anything that conflicts with Live Good. It is my little baby. Okay? It makes me an enormous amount of money each month. And it's all because of Live Good. Baby steps. Keep things simple. Guys, joincory.com. Let the videos do the recruiting. I want you to do exactly what I do. Exact. It works. Okay? And if you need some side hustle money, some extra little money, okay, great. But let's get you some substantial amounts because it's the same effort. Okay? It really is. I'm speaking from experience now. I am now on my 2-year anniversary. Okay? March of 2023 is when I signed up with Live Good. And I just wanted to buy the products wholesale. I had no idea I'd be in the top 30 out of 2 million people as far as an affiliate with people signed up. Okay? I'm real good at this right now. All right? Let's just keep things simple and fun. You got $49.95. Join. Let me send you a nice email and let's get you on your way. Let's make 2025 kick butt. It's only third month in. It's March of 2025 as I produce this. Okay? All right. My work is done. Joincory.com. If you don't mind, I always like to end my video with that thing right on the screen. Okay, click that, put your name and your email address in, and hit the little button below that says reserve position now. And that's it. Thanks again for your time. Subscribe, boom, to my YouTube channel, and find me on Facebook. You can inbox me there as well. All right, take care, guys. See you soon. Thanks for your time. Bye.